Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Video introduces the topic, how to check your HP laptop model easily. So, let's get started. Method 1. Open the search bar and type System Information. Click on the System Information app to open detailed system data. Look for the System Model option in the list. The value next to System Model is your exact HP laptop model number. Method 2. Open the search bar again and type Command Prompt. Launch Command Prompt and type WMICCSP product get name. Press Enter to instantly display the laptop model number. This model can be used for drivers, specifications, and support. Conclusion: both methods are simple, quick, and effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.